You know that you control me. Guilty self-affliction. Prey on me when I'm lonely, and I'm your willing victim. My friends already told me, but I don't wanna listen.